Hi friends, today we will discuss about the next part of rapid prototyping, unit 5 of manufacturing process 3, and today's topic is laminated object manufacturing. So laminated object manufacturing or LOM is lesser known additive manufacturing process where an object is created by successively layering sheet of build material, bonding them through heat and pressure, then cutting them into desired shape using either blade or a carbon laser. It is a type of solid prototyping used to create low cost 3D model using lasers. Now, this is a hybrid process involving addition and subtraction of material to create a part. Feed spindle supplies the material and take-up spindle controls the access. So there are two spindles, one is feed spindle and another one is take-up spindle. So this feed spindle, it supplies the material, and on the other part, that is on the spindle, take-up spindle, it controls the access. It layers the material with thickness range from 0.001 to 0.005 inches. Now for layer cutting, CO2 laser is used. The most common materials used in this process are thermoplastics such as PVC, paper, composites, ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, ceramics, etc. Now what is this basic process? Material is usually a paper sheet laminated with adhesive on one side, but plastic and metal laminates are appearing. Layer fabrication starts with sheet being adhered to the substrate with the heated roller. The laser then traces out the outline of the layer. Non-part areas are cross-hatched to facilitate removal of waste material. Once the laser cutting is complete, the platform moves down and out of the way so that fresh sheet material can be rolled into the position. Once new material is in position, the platform moves back up to the one layer below its previous position, and this process goes on repeating. So this process constitutes of, first of all, 3D model, then slicing, then set of the layer, contour generation, final joining, and LOM parts. This is how the process goes on. So this is the equipment where you can see there are two rollers. This is take-up roller and this one is supply roller, and this is the platform on which the manufactured sheets are placed here. Now this is the contour you can see over here, and this is the sheet metal, and this is the moving head, this is the mirror, and this is the laser, and this heated roller will move across this sheet material to laminate the parts. So from one side the material is being supplied, and on the other side the excess is taken out. If you can see over here also, here it is the heated roller. From this, laser is directed to the mirror, and from this it is going to the head, and from that the parts are being cut. This is the another view of this LOM process. Here is again you can see paper is feed. This is paper feed roll, and this is the waste paper take up, and this is the laser. This is the laser which directs on the mirror, and this is the head through which is the actual manufacturing part. So this is the movable mirror. These are some sketches of objects made up by this LOM process. What are the advantages of this LOM process? Ability to produce larger scaled models, uses very inexpensive paper, which is fast and accurate, good handling strength, which is environmentally friendly, not health threatening, precision claimed to plus minus 0.05 inch. Variety of material can be used such as paper, plastics, composites and ceramics. Now we'll see actually this LOM or laminated object manufacturing process, which I have told you earlier. Now you can see over here 4 rollers. That is 2 are big rollers and 2 are small rollers. These small rollers are supportive rollers, and these 2 rollers, as I told you, one is for feeding, another is taking for the. Now these are the rollers as I explained you, and this is the sheet material on which we are going to produce the sheets. Let us see the parts of this process in detail. It consists of a platform which move in the downward direction, on which the cut or parts required are laid down. This is the heated roller which moves across this sheet material, that is from right to left or left right or across the sheet material. This is the heated roller which laminates the parts. Now this is the laser and this is the mirror. So from this laser beam, the laser is impacted on the mirror and which is directed to the optic head. This is how the laser will come and go to the mirror, and from this mirror it will come to optic head, and this optic head directs that laser on the sheet material. Now let us see the animation of this process. These are the parts. Now we'll see the animation. Now see here, first the laser will come to this mirror and gets directed to laser head, and from that it is directed to the sheet material. Then these rollers move and the laser head cuts the material, and according to the size which is fed to the computer. Then this platform get lowers down and the removed part will lie on that platform, and it will move forward. This is the cutted part, and now this is the fresh one. Again this laser will cut according to the required dimensions, and that part will again collected on the platform below. Now this heated roller will move across and laminates these parts. Laminate these parts. This process goes on till we get the required shape of the object. This is how the LOM or laminated object manufacturing will work. Now this is the product. When this product is made, this part, that is this will go on stacking till the product will be made. Hope you understood this process. So thank you very much. Thank you.